What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Elongate token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, and let's continue with their official website. Right here you can see their purpose, and let me quote it for you. Elongate is opening the gate between crypto and charity. Through passive transaction fees and active giving, we are exposing charitable causes to a world of untapped capital and the crypto audience to a world of good. And in my opinion, they have a brilliant idea, they have a brilliant purpose to help people in need. And they already made a bunch of donations. Let me show it to you. We are on a Reddit thread related to Elongate token, and here is the information about their donations. As you can see, they donated $200,000 to Human Relief Foundation, $300,000 to Give India, $300,000 to Color the Spectrum, $800,000 to Be Green, $250,000 to the Ocean Cleanup, $250,000 to Action Against Hunger, and $325,000 to Children International. So they made a bunch of donations, and in my opinion it is one of the biggest charitable organizations among all the new DeFi tokens like this, but unfortunately it doesn't have so much impact on the community as other more promoted coins has. And let's continue with their official Twitter page. For now they have 117,000 followers. They added since my previous video about 5,000 followers. It is not so many, but nevertheless it is what it is, and I'm just giving you facts about this coin. And let's continue with their latest tweets. Right here you can see 3 hours ago this tweet, and it was pinned to the top. This week we are spotlighting National Kidney Foundation, a lifeline for all people affected by kidney disease. Stay tuned to learn their story and tune in on Sunday for our charity party with the NKF. So they continue to make new partnerships for the charitable purposes, and in my opinion it's very good. And they just finished this, let me show it to you. They just finished this event with Elon Musk. And they collected about $400,000 for charity. And let me show you this. The main points from the Elon Musk AMA. Main points right here, and it is also posted on a Reddit thread related to Elongate token. And let me quote it for you. The fact that Elongate is only 2 months old but also got recognition so early in the journey is a great achievement and reward for the hard effort the team has put in. Kimball gave some great advice, and he acknowledged that we have supported other charities which he approved. We have to be mindful that Kimball has most likely seen many new startups promise everything but don't provide for whatever reason. So far we have delivered. And third one, I can see there being a long-term partnership forming which will have a positive effect. So I think this token needs to be promoted much more than it is promoting right now. As you can see, they don't have so many members. They have less than 31,000 members, and that's why, in my opinion, they are losing momentum. And I already mentioned it in my previous video, but for now you can see it by yourself that this token is losing momentum. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, I made my previous video at this point, and I've told you that this token is losing momentum. And you have to be extremely cautious with this asset, because if it would break this level, and it broke it, then it might indicate that it is still on downtrend. And as you can see, we have this lowest point, and from my previous video it dropped for more than 58%. And it's a huge decline, I have to say, and from this top to this bottom we have about 86% of potential losses. So what to expect next? In my opinion, this asset is still quite technical, and in my opinion Elongate needs more power from the marketing standpoint. And if we will see this type of promotion in New Year's future, it might drastically affect the price on a positive manner. And let me show you the ratio between this wave and this wave. And on my previous video, I've told you that if we have this as our major retracement, and this is gigantic ABC correction, this is our lowest point of A wave, this is the top of our B, and this is the C. And I've told you on my previous video that we might have the ratio between A wave and C wave of 1 to 1. And let me measure this one. I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom, to this A wave, and for now our tool consists the length of the A wave. And we project it to the top of the B wave. And what do we have here? We have exactly 1 to 1 extension. So, statistically, it is the most probable level of extension, wave C from wave A. And technically, we might have this point as our lowest point in the entire retracement from the all 5 waves from the very beginning. And if we will see consistently higher highs with higher lows, if we will see this type of movement, let me show it to you. If we will see consistent this type of movements, this will indicate that we are forming new uptrend, and potentially with the good support of the community and the good support of the development team and with good promotion from the marketing standpoint, I think this might be the lowest point. But you still have to be extremely cautious. And if you want to invest in this coin, please, first of all, do your own due diligence. And next, follow my 3 simple rules. First rule, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And these rules are the main rules that allows you to protect your capital first of all, and second one, to make some juicy profits. And let me continue with this analysis. If you are quite risky and you want to invest right here at this point, your stop loss might be at this point, at the lowest point, and if you will break it, and let me show you that we have a confluence zone with this previous bottom, and we have the range of supports, 1 to 1 extension, and if this will be our lowest point, this means we can form an uptrend. But let me show you one more thing. If we measure this movement from this top to this bottom, we have following Fibonacci levels. We have 0.236 level, and it is confluence zone with this previous support / resistance, and for now it will be our next major resistance on the way to the upside. Next one at 3.618 level, and it is almost the same level with this support / resistance that I drew a couple of weeks ago. And in my opinion, if we break all these resistances to our way to this level, we might hit 0.65 and 0.618. But so far it is too early to make this projection, and I think you have to be extremely cautious with investing in this coin. So I think from the technical standpoint and from the fundamental standpoint as well, that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!